Okay, good morning. I did my stretching and all that great stuff this morning. I'm about to put on some Bengay to get this day started. If you know, you know. I've been using Bengay for decades. So, with that being said, let's get this party started. It's not a party. Next time, I might hire a painter to paint my house in another. You see, I've been here a year, in about another year. Reason why I say a year because I like freshly painted homes. Anywho, let's get this party started. Yeah, 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 yeah. Painting time. Now let's put this Bengay on and get some coffee. Good morning. Welcome to Remodeling Season 1, Episode 4. That's part 2 of yesterday's video. But anyway, we're going to get this party started quickly. I'm working now on the walls that's going down to the basement, to the garage. The body is tired.
Because you have Spock's talent for turning information into gold. Ruby is the mother, tapping into her will give you unfettered access to wealth
Series 1, Episode 4. That's a part 2 of yesterday's. Anywho, just finished the stairs going to the garage. Hey, your girl tired. One day I'm going to do the door, but not today. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Stay tuned in a couple of days because my body hurts for episode 5. See you later. Okay, so this is the before but after the painting. Your hair, paint, get paint all in the hair. Do I want to keep the curly hair on or go straight? We're going to go straight. Bam! Redhead, redhead, no makeup, but redhead. Yeah, my lighting sucks today. But anyway, we went red. That's it. Ta-da! I'm going to go sit down. Hate to end it quick, but I'm tired. My bones hurt.